Here are the steps you need to follow, and this is based on 25 plus years of research. The first thing you need to do is you need to choose the business credit card that you want. The thing is, when we talk about Bank of America business credit cards, you have a constellation of business credit cards, right? So you got to be really specific here. Let's quickly go through the kinds of business credit cards that Bank of America offers. So you have Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secure Credit Card. So this is a new card. This is kind of good for building business credit. So if you are a startup or you are a sole proprietorship, you're a new LLC, you're a single member LLC, you're trying to build business credit, this card is great for you. The great thing is Bank of America reports to Dun & Bradstreet. They also report to Equifax Commercial as well as Experian Commercial. So this is a secure credit card. This is kind of cool. It has no annual fee. So you have a solid rewards for a secure credit card, and you have the potential to graduate to an unsecured version within 6 months. So this is really great. And one thing I want to say here is that this card is actually also great for existing businesses that have had what I call some kind of troubled credit histories. Okay. So you have, and so that's for the secured card. Then you have a Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards MasterCard Credit Card. This is unsecured. This card is great if you are trying to maximize earnings. So you have a welcome bonus of $300. This is really good. There is no annual fee, and we love the fact that the APR is kind of decent. You are looking at 15.99% to 25.99%. Okay, so that's the variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. And we picked this because if you are trying to max out the $50,000 annual spending on the bonus categories, the rewards are pretty substantial, especially if you are thinking about a no annual fee card. Okay, preferred rewards for business members can make out a little more than so because you're basically can earn more than, let's say, 25 to 75% reward bonus. So this is really great. You have another card that I want to share with you. It's the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard. And this card is great if you are trying to look for a very easy to use business credit cards. Okay. And there's also a welcome bonus of $300. The APR is the same. You have a bandwidth of 15.99% to 25.99%. And this is variable on purchases, but also balance transfers. And we picked this card because it's really simple. If you are looking for a simple flat rate rewards credit card, you will love this card. Okay, it has a simple reward structure, welcome bonus, and you have an intro APR on purchases. Fantastic. Let's go through other credit cards that Bank of America offers. By the way, welcome back to the show. We really appreciate having you here. Just make yourself comfortable. You're here with the family. You're here at home. And so there are other credit cards that Bank of America has on the market right now. So they have the Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards World MasterCard credit cards. So this is actually great if you are looking for a no annual fee travel business credit cards. Okay, you have a welcome bonus of 30,000 points. This is really awesome. There is no annual fee, and the APR is the same. It pretty much oscillates between $15.99 and $25.99. We love that. And so we really love the fact that if you are looking for a no fee travel credit card, no fee travel business credit card, and you are looking for one that has both an introductory APR and solid earnings, this is the card for you. Okay, and so there are no foreign transaction fees. We love that. And in terms of rewards, you earn 3 points per dollar spent on car, hotels, or airline travel booked through the Bank of America Travel Center, and 1.5 points per dollar spent on all other purchases. So this is really great overall. And so you also want to give a try. You want to take a look at the Alaska Airlines Visa Business Credit Card. This is great for airline benefits, especially if you are an Alaska Airlines aficionado. You will love that. You have 40,000 bonus miles. We love that. And there is an annual fee though. So there is an annual fee, $50 for the company and $25 per card. So you got to really think about this. If you want to order multiple employee business credit cards, then you want to take into account the fee. And the APR is a little high here. So you have an APR that oscillates from 19.74% to 27.74% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. And then you have the Bank of America Platinum Plus MasterCard Business Card. This card is great if you are looking for a competitive APR credit card. Okay, you have a welcome bonus of $300. There's no annual fee, and we love the fact that the APR is, as I just said it, the APR is very competitive. You're looking at 13.99% to 24.99%. This is really great. So we love this because it has no annual fee. It has a decent welcome bonus, and you have unlimited employee cards for no additional charge, which is really different from what you have with the Alaska Airlines credit card. So overall, this is something you need to think about. So here you have it. You have the constellation of business credit cards that Bank of America offers. So you have to see exactly what you are looking for and pick exactly. You want to pick appropriately the card, the business card that is right for you. So first thing first, you want to choose the business credit card from Bank of America that you want. Second thing is you need to get your paperwork ready. See, the thing is that Bank of America is one of the few big banks in the country, the colossi when it comes to the financial industry. They really pay attention to granularity. In other words, they pay attention to your paperwork. They dig deep. They want to make sure everything is correct. They are very granular. They're very thorough. Okay, so be prepared. And so if you want to qualify for a business credit card from Bank of America, make sure that you think about your business information. I'm talking about your business name and contact information. So you got to provide your full legal name, the full legal name of the business, okay, along with the address and phone number used to register your business. Those pieces of information must match. In other words, when Bank of America is looking at your state articles of organization or incorporation, when they're looking at your certificate of good standing from the states, the address on those official documents must match what you are putting on the business credit card application. And sole proprietors can use their own name, and home-based businesses can use the home address. Not a problem. Now, Bank of America wants to have at least 1 to 2 years minimum time in business. So you want to put the date your business was established or the number of years in business. Okay, in terms of number of employees, please do not count yourself. Bank of America wants to know how many employees you have, so do not count yourself. You have to put also, there's a section called business category and type. So typically this is a drop-down menu. So you want to choose what most closely aligns with your business. This is for internal risk management purposes. And they will ask you for your business structure. So you want to note if you're a corporation, partnership, sole proprietorship, limited liability corporation, or nonprofit organization. They will ask you for your federal tax ID. So this is your EIN. And if you don't have an EIN, so just put your ITIN, your individual tax identification number, or your social security number, depending on your business. So if you're a sole proprietorship, you will basically put your social, if you don't have an EIN, of course. And they will ask you also for your business revenue and expenses. So you want to list your annual business revenue and provide an estimate of how much you would charge to the card each month. And they'll also ask you a constellation of personal information elements, such as your name, your date of birth, your social, your address, email, and phone number, and your own annual income. And so the third thing you want to do here, if you are trying to get a business credit card from Bank of America, you really want to invest time and effort and resources in forming a relationship with Bank of America. We see this all the time, and some of our viewers don't understand the importance of having a relationship with a bank, a bank as huge as Bank of America. I just mentioned the fact that this bank is a colossus at the national level. They're a behemoth. They're everywhere, similar to Chase, Citi, Wells Fargo. So those are the biggies of the market. So you need to have a relationship. And what do I mean by that? I mean, very simply, you want to have a business checking account with them. So in terms of business checking, Bank of America offers what they call an all-in-one business checking account. So they call it Business Advantage Banking. Okay. And so really so you can see that basically you have to compare what really works for you in terms of business checking accounts. So they have the Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking. and they have the Business Advantage Relationship Banking. You can start with the Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking if that works for you. Or if you have the liquidity required, then go for the Business Advantage Relationship Banking account. So this will really be very helpful to you. And you can also compare, we're showing you on the screen right now, you are able to compare business checking accounts. Obviously, you are better off with the Business Advantage Relationship Banking account. However, I'm not trying to tell you that you must necessarily go with that. Sometimes you want to start a little and then upgrade from there, okay? But the bottom line here is that you need to have a relationship with Bank of America. They do not force you to have a relationship with them before approving your credit limits, but before approving a credit card and giving you high limits. If you have a great financial history, if you have a great credit score, but you have no relationship with Bank of America, they will approve you, but they will give you a tiny ass limits. And you don't want that anyway. You really want to have like some kind of something consequential to be able to manage your business. Okay. So open a business bank account with Bank of America. Also, if you can, open a business savings account. So if you open a business savings account, you're able to access mobile banking. You have powerful digital tools. You can earn interest. You can also have a Balance Connect for overdraft protection. You can link accounts. Okay, and your business savings account can be linked to a Business Advantage Relationship Banking or a Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking solution. So anyway, you are winning. You are a winner here. Step number 4, you want to earn rewards. Okay, just want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Bank of America business credit cards, how to actually apply successfully, how to get a high limits. This is really important. And so the thing here is that once you actually choose the business credit card that you need, you get your paperwork ready. You form a relationship with Bank of America. You need to think about the best way for you to earn rewards. So you need to earn rewards for the business you do, the business that you actually engage in. Okay, so Bank of America has an award-winning rewards program for business, and basically that's called Preferred Rewards for Business. So this is a program that allows you to have access to valuable benefits, rewards, and savings. And really, we have been testing this for 20 years. It's a wonderful program. It's a wonderful rewards program, and there are a lot of benefits. So this is something you want to consider. And because basically you have a bunch of benefits, rewards, and savings, all with no fee to join or participate in the program. You're not paying anything. Most of our business members, we advise them to actually form a relationship with one of the 4 biggies, including Bank of America, specifically because of this rewards program. Okay, so you are able to become a preferred rewards for a business member today. There's no fee again to join or participate in the program. All you need to do is that you need to have an eligible Bank of America business checking account. So this can be a Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking or a Business Advantage Relationship Banking. Okay, and you need to have a 3-month combined average daily balance of $20,000 or more in qualified Bank of America business deposit accounts and or Merrill business investment accounts. So the cool thing is that if you don't have all your cash in your working capital accounts, in your daily accounts, but you have some of them parked in your investment accounts, as long as those investment accounts are with Merrill, which is a division of Bank of America anyway, you will qualify for this rewards. Okay, but if you want to have more information, you can call a Bank of America small business specialist and they will give you more information. And it's a lot easier you want to go to the website and you can actually book an appointment, not a problem. Or you can call 1-888-BUSINESS. So the number again is 1-888-287-4637. The next thing you want to do here is to sign up for business services if those are relevant to your business. Okay, and this harks back to what I just mentioned in terms of forming a relationship with Bank of America. See, the thing is, when we talk about establishing a relationship with Bank of America, we're talking not only about opening bank accounts, but you can also employ Bank of America for services. See, they're making money not only on the checking accounts and the savings account, but they're also making money in terms of the services that they provide. Okay, so Bank of America has a smorgasbord of business services that you might want to check out. Who knows? Maybe some might be relevant for your business. For example, you have payroll services. Okay, so those are services that allow you to save time and effort on your payroll and HR needs. So what's happening here is that Bank of America has partnered with ADP, the payroll behemoth, to kind of offer these services. So you are able to have payroll and HR solution to your small businesses through Bank of America. So you are able to actually connect your Bank of America accounts through to your ADP accounts. So this is kind of cool. And they have another service that we find pretty good also. That's called the remote deposit online. So in other words, you are able to make deposits from your home or office. This is kind of cool, especially if you live very far from the nearest Bank of America branch. Okay, so basically you have the flexibility that helps your business save in more ways than one. You save time, you avoid extra trips to the financial center. I mean, they call their branch financial centers. That's how Bank of America calls their branches. So you're able to deposit checks. You can use their scanner and Business Advantage 360, their small business online banking, to actually process your deposits, and you enjoy convenience. Okay, so you can receive your check scanner at no additional cost. So Bank of America is trying to save you money and time, and this is important, especially if you are, let's say, you are in an industry where you really don't have time. In other words, you're constantly on the go. You're constantly you're jumping from one meeting to another, and time is really of the essence for you. Bank of America is making things very, very easy for you. So this could be worth a try, or at least worth a look. Who knows? Maybe you might be interested. So those are the first two services that Bank of America offers. So they have the payroll services and the remote deposit online. Let me acquaint you with two other services that Bank of America offers to small businesses. So the third one is called account management. In other words, this is basically a service that allows you to be more productive as you work. So so what they have here is they have customized access to your account. So you're able to establish individual account access levels. You can turn control access on and off quickly. Okay, you can enjoy increased flexibility, such as allowing an employee to view details of one account for specific business needs, and allowing your accountant to view details of all accounts. For example, this is kind of important, especially if you let's say you are applying for an important loan, a significant loan, and the lender wants to have audited financial statements. So they want an external auditor, to come into your business and review transactions. So to kind of have this flexibility in access level is really important. So you are also able to control account user activity with unique individual IDs. This is kind of cool also. So bottom line here is that through account management, you have a very easy way to manage multiple accounts. Okay, you can manage accounts for more than one business. You can add another user to an account, not a problem. So that's the third business service. The fourth one is what they call flexible banking. So basically here, you're able to do a constellation of things. You can deposit checks and cash almost anytime. You can check account balances. You can set mobile and online account alerts. You can make transfers between accounts. You can request a digital debit card. You can locate financial centers or ATMs. You can schedule an appointment with a small business specialist. What I'm trying to tell you here is what I'm trying to say here is that when you form a relationship with Bank of America, you increase your chances, like big time. You increase your chances of being approved for a business credit card from the institution. Okay, and Bank of America has some of the best business credit cards in the industry, period. So it is in your interest to align your operational needs with Bank of America services, so that you can establish a win-win situation, a mutually beneficial situation, whereby you not only open a business checking account, but also a business savings account, but also you want to tap into some of the services that they offer. So this is a great strategy in the long run because, again, Bank of America is a financial colossus. They are everywhere. So it's not like you can say, well, I don't want to form a relationship with this bank. They're too small. They're just a local. They're only good in this state. If I move to another state, they're not there. No, Bank of America is everywhere. So you have no excuse to actually form a relationship with them. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about Bank of America business credit cards, and I was giving you a few tips here and there on how to actually boost your chances of approval if you were to apply for a business credit card from Bank of America. So the steps are: you have to choose the business credit card that you want. You need to get your paperwork ready. You need to form a relationship with Bank of America. You need to think about how the best way to earn rewards, and you need to sign up for business services if relevant to your company. Thank you so much. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.